In this video, I'm going to teach you on how you can record a clip in ClickUp. So, without further ado, let's begin. First, open your web browser and go to app.clickup.com and log in to your ClickUp account. Once you're inside the main dashboard, here is where the magic happens. Normally, other sites need you to have an external recording device, but ClickUp is not one of those. Instead, ClickUp has its own way to record clips of you doing your task. It's located right here on the top right. However, do keep in mind that for you to access this, you need to have your unlimited storage right here by upgrading to other plans. But once you upgraded to those plans, what you can do is simply click right here or press Alt S, and once you're done with your clip or with your recording, simply click on Alt S again to stop. And as easy as that, you can record a clip through ClickUp. So if you find this video helpful, please don't forget to click like and share our YouTube channel. Also, if you want to support our channel, go to our affiliate links below in the description. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next video.